Welcome back to Motorvision, where we explore the most exciting cars shaping the roads of tomorrow. If you're passionate about automotive design, innovation, and performance with a touch of nostalgia, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about revivals of the year, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. This reborn icon brings vintage soul and modern tech together in a way that's simply irresistible. The original Karmann Ghia was introduced in the 1950s as a stylish compact coupe with curves that turned heads and a presence that stood apart from anything else Volkswagen had done before. Fast forward to 2025, and VW has resurrected this classic nameplate with a fresh twist. It's not just a tribute, it's a reimagination. Let's start with the design. The 2025 Karmann Ghia stays true to its roots, keeping that low-slung stance, smooth lines, and signature rounded fenders. It looks like a piece of rolling art, but don't let the retro design fool you. Everything about this car screams modern precision. From the LED lighting that outlines the contours of the body to the flush door handles and aerodynamic detailing, this isn't a copy of the past, it's a new statement for a new era. The front end carries a sleek, minimalist grille, while the badge glows softly, adding a futuristic touch. Moving to the rear, you'll notice the elegant tail lamps that pay homage to the classic round lights of the original. But with a razor-sharp LED finish, Volkswagen didn't just design this car, they sculpted it. Under the hood, or more accurately, beneath the chassis, the new Karmann Ghia is fully electric. Powered by Volkswagen's latest MEB platform, it features a single rear-mounted motor that delivers smooth, silent acceleration. Expect around 250 horsepower, with a range of approximately 300 miles on a full charge. The ride quality is refined, thanks to adaptive suspension and near-instant torque delivery. It's sporty when you want it to be, and smooth when you need it to be. And for a car that looks this good, the performance doesn't disappoint. Now let's step inside. The interior of the 2025 Karmann Ghia is where things get really interesting. Volkswagen has gone all out to create a cabin that reflects the heritage of the original while embracing today's high-tech world. When you slide into the driver's seat, you're greeted by a blend of classic textures and modern interfaces. The seats are wrapped in premium leather with stitching inspired by vintage patterns. Chrome accents highlight the dashboard, and the steering wheel features a slim, retro-inspired design with integrated touch controls. Front and center is a digital instrument cluster that adapts based on driving mode. A floating infotainment screen provides access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Voice commands, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto come standard. And with built-in 5G connectivity, you're always just a tap or a word away from whatever you need. Despite being a compact coupe, the cabin feels surprisingly airy, thanks to a panoramic glass roof that stretches almost the full length of the car. Ambient lighting adds to the experience, with customizable colors to match your mood. It's intimate, stylish, and tech-savvy all in one. Safety is another area where the 2025 Karmann Ghia excels. You get all the modern essentials, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. It even includes Volkswagen's semi-autonomous driving mode for highway cruising, making long trips easier and safer. But what really sets the 2025 Karmann Ghia apart is the feeling it delivers. This isn't just a carrots in emotion. It connects you to a golden era of driving while delivering everything you expect from a modern EV. It's fun, elegant, and undeniably cool. It appeals to enthusiasts who remember the original, and to younger drivers who crave something unique in a world full of lookalike SUVs. Volkswagen took a risk by bringing back such a beloved name. But with the 2025 Karmann Ghia, they've done more than revive a legend, they've redefined it. This car doesn't just honor the past. It celebrates it, reinvents it, and launches it into the future. That's all for today's feature on Motorvision. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the all-new 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the most exciting cars hitting the road. Drop a comment below and let us know, would you drive the new Karmann Ghia? Until next time, stay passionate, stay curious, and keep your wheels rolling forward.